Hello, my name is Dr. Justin Ternes, and I'm excited to share with you a breathwork meditation that will help you reduce stress, gain focus, improve your overall mental, emotional, physical well-being. Because it's a breathwork meditation, we're going to start with some breathing, intentional, over-exaggerated breathing movements to shape the inner physiology so that you are more receptive to meditation. So start in a seat. Take a deep breath in, lift your chin, lift your chest in through the nose or the mouth, out, let it go. Very good. Another deep breath in, hold it. Holding just for a moment, and notice as you hold the widening that took place to pull the breath in, exhale, let it go. You can also use your hands to support the breath. So let's do that. Deep breath in, hands open. Pause. And as you pause, again, feel the wide and expansion of your body. Let it go. Good. Return to a normal breathing pace. Nice and easy breathing cadence. Slowing the breath. So shifting from breath work to meditation in the moment. And throughout this practice, we're going to bring in mantras or positive self-affirmations. I am safe. I am present. I am here. I am blank. Whatever comes to you, fill that space. I am blank. We're going to cycle through all of these together. That was one round. Even though it was a description of what we are going to do, notice that as you practiced it, you could shift in between the different states. And that is part of the intention here and part of the benefit. So with that in mind, we're going to do a couple breaths and then go into a short meditation and fill that meditation with positive self-affirmations. I am here, I am safe, I am present, I am blank. Deep breath in. Let it go. Really focus on the widening expansion of the body in. Notice how my shoulders lift out. And my shoulders fall. I'm over-exaggerating the movement. Deep breath in. Lift the chest. Make this a movement breath practice. Out. Round your shoulders. Drop your head. Blow towards the ground. Deep breath in. And let it go. Now let's go a little bit faster. In. Out. Deep. Out. 3 more. Out. 2. Out. Biggest breath yet. And hold it, hold it, hold it. As you're holding, take another sip in. Hold it. As you're holding, because you've lifted your posture, engage your hips tightly. So tight hips. Good, you're still holding, let it go. And now relax. Slow your breath, close your eyes. Focus on the present moment. Again, re-regulating your breath. Nice and slow. Bringing in some mantras. I am safe. I am here. I am strong. I am love. I am fill in the blank. So continue to cycle just for another few moments. Very good. Same thing. One more round, and we're going to pick up the breath a little bit deeper. Okay, so deep breath in. Using your arms to open, exhale. Using your core to blow the air out. Good, deep breath in. And then out. Deep breath in. And maybe some force behind the exhale, like you're trying to blow out a distant candle. Deep breath in. Lifting the posture and out. In and out. Less focus on posture, more focus on speed and activation of the nervous system 2 or 3 times as fast. Smaller breaths. Five more. 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. Hold. Hold it. Hold in the hips, your strength. Soft, smooth exhale, let it go. Holding for 20 seconds here. You also have an option to hold longer. If you hold longer, just flow into the meditation as you continue to hold. If you are ready to breathe in about 5, 4, 3, keep holding, 2, 1. Deep, big breath in, hold at the top. Hold it. If you're still holding, go for it. But when you do take a breath in, do so, as was just demonstrated, strength in your core, strength in your upper chest, shoulders. Let it go. And as you let it go, you stay upright. You're not over posturing, but you're upright. And you're feeling strong still in your hips, strong still in your spine. And then everything outside of that space gets to relax. Close your eyes. Slow your breathing. Bring your mind's eye focus, awareness into your chest, heart center. Slow, deep breaths. Feeling not just the physical component of the chest, but the inner, energetic components of the chest-heart region. Breathing into that space, slow, deep. Let's drop that awareness down through your core into your pelvic floor, the lower quarter. The connection, feel the connection of your hips to the chair. Pause here with your awareness. Breathe low into this space. Bring in some self-affirmations. Mantra: I am grounded. I am rooted. Speak into the qualities of the attention and the strength and the density of your awareness going into your lower pelvic floor region, lumbosacral region. I am connected. I am blank. Fill in the blank. Continuing to breathe into that space. From the deep root of where your awareness sits, take a breath in. Hold it. And notice that the breathing in and holding up high brings your awareness up to your upper chest. Keep your awareness there as you let go. And hover your awareness around your upper thorax, as your collarbones, breathing into that space, slow, steady, feeling not just the physical component, but also the emotional, energetic, somatic sensations. Long, slow, deep breath, but not forcing the breath, just being a participant in the breath. And again, from here, take a deep breath in and hold, in and in. Hold it. And as you hold, re-engage low, bring that energy up through your heart center, up through your chest, up through your neck, into your third eye, forehead area. Exhale, let it go. But maintain your attention awareness in that third eye, forehead region. Breathing slow, drawing out your breath ever so slightly longer. Maintaining a connection to this upper energetic center, which is the third eye. I am here, I am present. I am elevated, I am light. Whatever feels true to you, I am. Deep breath in, hold. With a slight engagement of the core and a soft exhale like a feather is being dropped down towards the ground. From here, stay connected to your breath, but do not control your breath. Let the breath breathe within you, through you. Now just take a full body scan, awareness of your being. Take a zoomed out perspective of self. Bring your awareness, attention down to your feet. And we're going to ping pong our awareness from the feet up the legs, through the core, to the head once more. So bring your mind's eye awareness to your right foot, the whole of the right foot. Now bring it over to the left. Awareness and breath to your right calf muscle. Awareness and breath to your left. Bringing that attention to the right knee, left knee, right thigh, left thigh. And bring your awareness from both thighs right down the middle to where you are connected through your seat. Take an extra moment of pause in the pelvic floor, breathing into this low space. Just coming up that central column into the lower abdominal region. Splitting your awareness from mid-abdominal region to your lateral lower ribs. And notice your breath widening those ribs. Keep your attention and awareness on these ribs as you take another wide breath in. Bring your awareness up the sides. And then to the middle, heart center, sternum. Deep breath in brings your breath broad across your upper chest to the points of your shoulders, and then the exhale brings you down the arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, into your hands. A moment of pause with your awareness and attention in the hands, noticing how much this certain particular body part does for you, bringing love to that space, gratitude. I am grateful. A deep breath in pulls your awareness back up to your chest, to your neck. And from the back of the neck, get a quick body scan of your whole backside. We don't want to leave anything behind. So just a moment of awareness and attention to your back, lower back, mid back, upper scapula, shoulder blade. Bring that breath and the awareness back to the neck and around to the front of the throat, up to your jaw, unclenching your jaw, awareness into the face, sensations, wrapping that around to the ears, the suboccipital, which is the back of the skull, and finally bring that awareness up to the very top point of the head, where you breathe in once more and hold at the top, feeling the connection from the hips rooting down while it grows you up through the top of the head. There's an ease and a grace in this strength and posture. Exhale, let it go. Couple regulating breaths, and finish with a hand to your heart or two hands to your heart, where you can stay in whatever position, posture you're in that feels comfortable to you. We finish with self-love, self-gratitude, self-acknowledgement of doing a practice that has the intention of improving our mind, our body, our emotional health. Thank you for joining. Have a beautiful day.